Okay, now the parts separately. The kenkeni is not an essential part, an essential rhythm to play Moribayassa, to recognize Moribayassa, because it's a simple, straightforward beat. It's like this. Tra ta da ta ta da ta ta. So it's a straightforward beat with 2 times more often the bell than the hit on the drums. So for unexperienced people, that's already a good start to start learning playing dunduns. With the sangban, it's slightly more complicated, and that's essential in combination with the dunumba to recognize this Moribayassa, to make it the Moribayassa. What makes it slightly difficult is how you start it from the signal. It's the easiest to learn it this way. The rhythm is like this. One, two, three, four, tack, tack, 1, 2, 3, 4, tack, tack, 1, 2, 3, 4, tack, tack. But it's only at the 4 that you start on the first beat after the signal. So, how do you start? Tra ta da ta ta da ta ta. Once more. Tra ta da ta ta da ta da da. Now the dunumba. Tra-ta-da-ta-ta-da. This also, to start, it's starting already in the signal. Tra-ta-da-ta-ta-da. It's starting in the signal. Tra-ta-da-ta-ta-da. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, 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 da. When you play the dunumba, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's on the first 4 that the rhythm starts on the first beat after the signal. So, tra ta da ta ta da ta ta, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, tra ta da ta ta da ta ta, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, normally to give the rhythm a little bit a start from the start, you start within the signal playing the dun dun and playing the sangban. So then it becomes, then the pre-beats, the 3 first beats, the 3 pre-beats are falling in the signal. Tra ta da ta ta da. Okay. Let us take a short look at the djembé bass rhythms that go with Moribayassa. Probably if you have seen my other videos on rhythms with 4 beats in a bar, like solilan, you have understood that there is one rhythm that comes back with almost all these 4 beats in a bar rhythms, and that's this one. Once more. That's enough. If you want more, then you just repeat it, or you go to the solilan where it is shown more extensively and probably also slower. As I have told you in earlier videos, I am not a djembé player primarily, but a dun dun player. Okay, Moribayassa djembé rhythm number 2. It looks a lot like the rumba rhythm, but it's in fact more simple. Slower. faster, faster. Okay, and a little bit of fantasy. Let me tell you something about the way I have fixed the bells. Often they are mounted in a way that the sound is very much muted, but I like the bell sound. You know, the shape is from a bell, so it should make a bell sound. But the problem often is that they are hit with a thick, heavy piece of iron. I prefer light steel ones. This is already much thinner than what is usually used. You can see that is floating on a piece of foam plastic and then kept on its place with a piece of rubber, a rubber strap. And this way the sound can escape like it is meant to do. A lighter bicycle spoke, and the sound is a lower level, safer for your ears. You wouldn't like to have the tinnitus I have already for 20 years.